Your business depends on a comfortable environment for employees, customers, and daily operations. A reliable HVAC system plays a critical role in maintaining that comfort year-round. But when your system isn't performing efficiently, it can affect productivity, energy costs, and indoor air quality. That's why businesses in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional commercial HVAC services. Our experienced team handles everything from system inspections and maintenance to repairs and full replacements. We service a wide range of commercial systems, ensuring efficient performance and consistent airflow throughout your building. We also provide air duct cleaning services to improve indoor air quality and system efficiency. The result is a comfortable environment, lower energy costs, and reliable system performance. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we prioritize dependable service, minimal disruption, and long-term solutions. Keep your business running smoothly with professional HVAC services you can trust. How is commercial HVAC different from residential HVAC? Commercial systems are larger, more complex, and designed to handle higher demands, multiple zones, and larger spaces compared to residential systems. How often should commercial HVAC systems be serviced? Commercial systems should be serviced at least twice a year, with additional maintenance depending on usage and building size. What are common commercial HVAC problems? Common issues include airflow problems, refrigerant leaks, faulty thermostats, worn components, and uneven temperature distribution. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.